Hello there. In this video I'm going to show you how I swapped my original keyboard from my T480 with another original keyboard, a replacement one purchased in the official store that has backlight, because this one doesn't have that functionality. As you can see in the spacebar, you don't have the small LED symbol there. So to remove the current one, you just need to unscrew the two screws you have on the bottom of the unit. It's not necessary to pull them all together out, because I don't think not all of them get out completely. So just unscrew it like so. Plus, you don't need to turn off the battery. I mean, it's safe to remove the external one, but you don't need to turn off the internal one. It's not so risky. And once you have those screws removed, what you need to do now is actually with your fingernails or something, a pry tool or something, just push it gently towards the screen. As you can see, it creates a gap between the chassis and the actual body of the keyboard. Make sure you apply forces evenly. You don't force those small plastic knobs or the small plastics they have there to get secured, because we will need them later to put. I mean, if you plan to sell this unit, you'll need it to be in perfect condition, right? So make sure you also remove the ones that secure the buttons from the trackpad. And now once you can lift it off, you can gently pull towards you and flip it like so. And now, hopefully, if I remove my head from the camera, yeah. And now you have access to the actual ribbons that you can gently that you can disconnect easily. Now with the pry tool or with your fingernail, just remove those security mechanisms. It's very easy. You just need to put your fingernail underneath and pull it up, and that should release the ribbon there. The same applies for both of them, and it's pretty easy to do. I did it very carefully because this is my main unit. I purchased two T480s because one is for experimenting and this one will be like the production one, the one I'm going to use for a daily driver. And yeah, I wanted to have extra care with how I did this, because it was my first time doing it. Now I stirred that one, and again, this is another unit. It's the official one. It's the backlit one. As you can see, it has the small drawing there on the spacebar. And as you can see, this is it. I didn't want to go with a knockoff or something from AliExpress because, come on, I mean, the entire fun of these ThinkPads is the keyboard, right? So I wanted the original feeling, right? And I purchased this one. It's a little bit expensive. It's 50 euros at least. That it was cost me, but again, I think it's worth it. So yeah, I plugged that back in. I went with the small ribbon first, and once it's in, you just secure it like so. The same applies with the other one. It's pretty easy to do. I mean, it's not rocket science. If you just need to be a little bit careful, and that's it. And make sure they're actually well pressed, so they're not loose or something inside. Now the operation is in the inverse order. You just put it back in. In my case, I went wrong. I slid it too much inside, so that's not good. You need to put it so you can comfortably press the side where the security plastic is. And once you have it like that, you need to apply a little bit of pressure so you can slide it back in like so. Again, I did it with my fingernails, but use the tool you want. It has to be back in all the places, right? And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's not rocket science. You will notice when you do, you will notice it if it's okay or not, right? And yeah, let's try it and see. But I think with that, pretty much we have it done. Now, in my case, since I'm a little bit paranoid, I think I did remove I went into the BIOS and I disconnected the actual internal battery, but Again, this is my main unit, it's pristine condition. I'm a little bit too careful maybe with it. Now to test this, you can either plug it back in the power adapter, or you can just put the external battery back, and if you didn't actually deactivate it from inside the BIOS, it shouldn't run. If it runs, means that I didn't do it. I don't remember right now. Turns out that, yeah, it's not running. So I actually need to plug the actual power charger, right? Yeah, so once you plug that in, let's see. Yeah, so there it is. Glorious backlit keyboard. I even switch off my lights so you can see it a little bit better. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's working. So as I was saying, the guys from the store, they weren't sure if this keyboard, although my laptop didn't have this functionality from the beginning, because the original keyboard was not backlit. They didn't assure me that this one will work. So they told me, you just try it, and if it doesn't work, just send it back. So in this case, it was a success. Again, thank you for watching. I hope you find it useful, and see you in the next one. Bye.